Alright, so mamaya meron pa akong interview. So hindi ako makagawa ng mahabang video, pero is sa movie review regarding the Thunderbolts. And mabilis ko lang masasabi, yung iba kasi mga kasama ko sobrang hype sila, nagaganda sila sobra, they gave it 9/10. But I can give it 8/10. Dun sa bandang start, medyo takes a while to go. But I can say na yung mga choreography dun sa ibang, hindi lahat, but some of the fighting scenes are amazingly choreographed. Lalo na yung isang part doon na parang nagkaroon ng Avengers Assemble na part, yung paikot sila, nagsama-sama sila para gano'n yung datingan. Marami na naman na nakaspoil ng ibang parts, but I won't spoil it here. Pero masasabi ko na lang, it's good film, lalo na napaka-timely. Dahil sa depression, anxiety ng mga tao, the topic is very timely. The villain is really, hindi siya comic book accurate. So with the Thunderbolts, hindi rin siya comic book accurate. It's more of a comedy action film. And after credits, hype na hype din yung iba kong mga kasama dahil sa after credits. But I can say it's sakto lang, tama lang. It's just that yung pinakahuling after credits o pinakahuling post credits, I don't know. After credits is, yeah, medyo it's a major thing. Not really, but medyo may pagka-connect siya dun sa mga susunod na movies, and hoping it is really super duper connected with the Fantastic Four, hoping, and also with the Doomsday. So yun lang, pasensya na sa linya natin camera and sa lighting, but all I can say is, yeah, it's a good film to watch. Yung feels nung sa bandang gitna na pa forward, medyo maganda siya. Yung sa simula lang medyo hindi yung facing sa start, but it's good. Tsaka i-compare ko si Yelena Belova kay Black Widow, Natasha Romanoff, medyo mas smooth pa rin yung choreography kay Natasha. I think it's because mas it portrays yung emotions ng character dun sa first part, kaya ganun talaga, medyo sloppy yung kanyang choreography. But I don't know, yun lang masasabi ko. Isa 8/10 for me. It's a good film, I can recommend it na mapanood ng mga tao, lalo na yung post credits. Don't expect too much, but it is something na you should wait for. Others are hyped about it, but I'm not that hyped about it. It's just that, okay, well, alright, nagawa nila yun, but no, it's fine. That's it. So hanggang doon na lang, umahaba na yung review natin. Take care and go guys.